Di ba, kapag we're talking about love, pero nasabi na yung limang parang pag-show ng love or love languages, which is giving, assurance, word of assurance, act of service, word of confirmation, and physical touch. Tapos bilang ba? May kakalimutan ako. Service.
Malapit ako age ko yun.
Which one? Okay. Don't worry, may connection to. Talagang niya, lahat na pinabigay sa atin ng Panginoon. Receive, speaking of blessings. Word of assurance. Gaya ng basta assurance sa atin ng Panginoon. Act of service is also pagbibigay niya ng blessings through the message of other people. Word of affirmation, parang signal of assurance, and physical touch is yung kagaya nung first coming niya.
Physically, no, punta siya sa akin.
Yan. Di ba ay, ito ba pala?
Wala
Yung ano wala kasi.
Wala?
Assurance lang sa quality of
Sorry, guys. Masaya.
Expert ako din.
Quality time is yung kagaya ng first coming niya. And sa limang to, pinakita sa atin ng Panginoon, which shows a message na dapat ay ipakita natin yung lang brothers and sisters natin to show that we love them.
Tama,
Praktikal.
Praktikal.
Praktikal.